Visualist.
Hi, I'm I am a Digital Marketing and Communication Executive at IAP Integrated Sdn Bhd.
Hi, I'm Marina. I'm working with media industry.
I learned a lot about the digital marketing world. Actually, I'm new into this field, in this marketing field. And mostly I've learned to prioritize my work. I learned new marketing terms in terms of the digital marketing such as SEO, SEM, and how to manage websites.
The trainer taught me to follow through details. For example, it's on Google Analytics. It's interesting. He taught me to follow through step by step to get the details of the analysis.
This workshop will benefit me by doing the Facebook ads and SEO. I learned a lot from this course, especially in SEO, because my company is very new, so I need to learn more about SEO, and this course is very much helpful.
I think it is still low in numbers, and we need to improve on that particular side. And digital marketing is one of the things that we cannot avoid. It is actually the era that we live in.
I definitely recommend those who want to join this digital marketing class. It's really relate from media industry, so it's relate to my day-to-day work.
Training is very good and very experienced.